the ultimate guide to planning your Tahiti dream wedding. Imagine saying "I do" surrounded by Tahiti's crystal clear waters, black sand beaches, and lush rainforests. Tahiti's tropical climate and pristine natural surroundings make it an ideal location for a romantic wedding ceremony and reception. Couples planning their wedding in Tahiti have a wide range of accommodation options. From luxury resorts to overwater bungalows and rustic beachside cottages, there's something for everyone. Overwater bungalows offer stunning views and come equipped with private decks, outdoor showers, and jacuzzis. Beachside cottages offer a laid-back atmosphere with amenities like outdoor kitchens and BBQs. Planning a wedding can be stressful, but many Tahiti wedding packages include a range of wedding planning services. These services can include coordinating with local vendors, arranging transportation and entertainment, and even help with obtaining a marriage license and arranging the actual wedding ceremony. Additional services like photography, floral arrangements, and hair and makeup services can be added for an extra fee. Tahiti has a rich cultural history, and many couples choose to incorporate traditional Tahitian elements into their wedding. These can include the lively Polynesian wedding dance, the use of local flowers and plants, the presentation of a flower crown to the bride, the exchange of handmade quilts, and the presentation of a gift by the groom to the bride. A Tahiti wedding package should also offer a range of activities and excursions. These can include snorkeling in the island's crystal clear waters, surfing, hiking through the lush rainforests, and cultural activities like traditional Polynesian cooking classes or dance lessons. So, if you're dreaming of a tropical paradise wedding, Tahiti might just be the perfect destination for you. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.